Hello, let me show you all the health features you can find on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. And I will show you how it looks on the phone because everything is bigger and will be more visible for you. So first of all, we've got heart rate measurement. Also, we can measure our heart rate all time, for all day, each minute, for every 10 minutes and for every 30 minutes. So we can decide how to set it up. Also, we've got alerts about high and the low heart rates. You can set it up between 40 and 50 between the low, and with the high between 100 and 150. And of course, these alerts are only when you are resting, so they will be not activate when you are working out, for example. Next, we've got the sleep measurement. Also, we can monitor our heart rate and REM sleep stage and the breathing rate. We can also check the blood oxygen, so it's also called the blood saturation. And right here we can track it all day, and also we can get the blood oxygen alert. Of course, this is low oxygen alert from 90 to 80. That's how we can set it up. Another option is the stress measurement. Also, we can get it all day monitoring if we want. And also we've got, we can set the relax reminder, but only when we are using the all day monitoring. And it will prompt a breathing exercise when our stress level remains above 80 during awake time. Next, we've got the standing reminder. So our device will vibrate when we are sedentary for 1 hour. So for example, when you are sitting and almost not moving. Here we can find some base stats of calories, steps, and moving. This is actually all of this health tracking rings. Right here we can also find the vitality score settings, so we can actually set the goal, notifications, and here we can track our 7-day progress, so we'll get reminders when our vitality score reaches 30, 60, or even 100 points in the last 7 days. And now when you go back, that's basically it. But of course, also we have all of these workouts, right? So this is another health feature. So when you go into the workout, we can find here all of these activities. I'm gonna show you all activities that we can find here. As you can see, when we reach, for example, the training, we've got 40 different trainings. So when I'm gonna sum up, there's like 40 plus 10, 50 plus 16, that's like 66, plus 14, that will be 80, 12, that will be 92, plus 26, it will be 128. So yeah, that's definitely over, I think, around 150 different workouts that we can measure. In the other we can find the athletics, even the auto racing, even we've got chess game, not chess, and some kind of the darts, horse riding. So yeah, that's a lot. And this is it, the all health features that you can find on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.